You're watching the Ram Pump Wizard, your one-stop shop to fulfill all your Ram Pump needs. The Ram Pump is a water pump that does not need fuel or electricity to operate, only flowing, falling water. In today's Ram Pump video, we're going to find out if a plastic water bottle makes a good pressure tank fill. In commercial Ram pumps, you have something called a snifter valve, which pushes out water and brings in air to keep an air pocket in the pressure tank. Now, smaller Ram pumps like this don't have a snifter valve, and so we're going to see if a plastic water bottle can be a good tank fill. Over the past couple of weeks, I've been putting different things inside of the pressure tank just to see what would happen. I had a pool noodle, a bicycle inner tube, and last week was some tennis balls. All of them so far have been either compressed or crushed. This week, I'm going to be using a plastic water bottle. I actually think this is going to work rather well because it does have a pretty good bit of give to it. Now, what's the point? The point is you want to have an airspace that gives back to the pressure in the tank. It just gives something that will prevent waterlogging in the tank. So let's go ahead and give this bottle a try. You can see those tennis balls jumping up and down with the pressure fluctuation. I'm going to go ahead and stop the pump. I'm going to close off the delivery pipe. Okay. And now I'm going to open up the pressure tank and let that pressure out. Aha, got it. Okay. Tennis balls are still in good working order. Okay, not exactly sure which way to put this bottle, but you should be able to see it fluctuating that way. I cleaned off the threads, so hopefully it doesn't get stuck. I think we're ready. Go ahead and close the pressure tank valve, open the drive pipe. You should see the water fill up a little bit in there. Now, as usual, I'm going to keep the delivery pipe closed so we can watch this bottle under the greatest pressure. All right, let's see what happens. Uh-oh, our bottle is already stuck to the bottom. Let's reset. Okay, maybe if I get some water in there. Oh, here it goes. Now it's floating. Okay, so the bottle is back to normal with the pressure here. Go ahead and open the drive pipe. It's floating a little bit. Okay, watch that thing. It like smushes real quick. Well, I was certainly expecting more of a floating bottle. Not sure what's going on there. Well, it is slowly rising up in the tank there. Let's get a spin on it and see if it's crushed in all sides. Yeah, that air is pretty well gone from that bottle. I mean, it's not gone, but it's just not doing much. Well, after about 2 minutes, it is finally at the top floating, but I'm not really seeing much give in the bottle. Yeah, not much. Okay, let's open up the delivery pipe and see if we get some actual results here from this bottle. I am seeing a little bit of pulse in there. Like maybe it is doing something. Yeah, watch down there at the bottom. It's got a little bit of a pulse to it. Okay, let's remove the bottle and see what it looks like now that it's been running for a few minutes. Yeah, it's still intact. Man, that's crazy. Let's flip it up this way and see what happens. I wonder if it'll plug up that hole. Okay, well that's just normal pump operation. And it looks like the bottle is stuck again at the bottom, which is strange. I really expected it to rise to the top. The bottle is just not operating like I expected or very well. It's just crushing up and staying wherever it is in that tank. I was hoping it was going to float to the top and give back some of that pressure, but even with the pump in normal operation, the bottle is just sitting there crushed, not doing anything. As you saw from the video, a plastic water bottle does not make a very good pressure tank fill. I have actually found, over researching this for quite some time, that it's better not to have anything in the pressure tank, and every 2 to 3 months, just drain the pump and replenish that air pocket so that you will not have a ram pump that hits hard when the waste valve closes. A new ram pump video comes out every Saturday. Be sure to join me here on the Ram Pump Wizard.